Happy Flappy Friday! Why do I call it Flappy Friday? I don't know. Yeah. Well, me and Emma's come over to Cramlington Nature Reserve because there's apparently a trail of geocaches here. I don't know if you can hear that electricity, but don't sound good. First one's down here somewhere. Push the hint, Emma. Oh, there's no hint. Can you lot see it? It's under the bridge. Oh, we didn't fetch a pen.
It's got one in my bag.
Whoa, the reflection. Yeah, there we go. On to the next one. That away. Somewhere up here. 120 meters. Getting boggy. Ugh.
Ow.
This is a good hide. Dun dun dun. Inside of a rotten post. Oh, it's got a proper book in this one. That's how geocaches should be.
Yeah, I like this pot. Oh, and a free spider. A nut.
Here we go, on to the next one. And I can't get these stupid reflections to work. Yeah. I've not said this for a while. Poo bag! If you come here, the ground is, can you see? It's a little bit moist. So I'm getting wet tootsies. Cool. Should I lick it? I can't see no harm in licking it. What do you think? You think? Should I? Oh no! This one, I've just been reading the comments because we couldn't find it. It's been muggled. How dare you, muggles? Grrr. This one, the log says... The next one, sorry. The log, Emma's just getting prickled by a tree. Are you finished dying? Okay. It says, after squelching through mud, good times. Ooh, they're building the road. Cool. Yeah. Yeah. Squelching through mud.
Holy moly.
Haha. This one's a wet one. Found it. Found it. Come on, Emma, open it. Slide it around. Dun dun dun. Back along this path next to the Amazon River. Looking for crocodiliacs. Do any of you lot geocache? I know I'm fairly new to this, but I quite enjoy it. It gets us out, gets us walking, gives us an excuse to get outside. Gets Emma moving too. Let me know in the comments down below if you have a go at this. And share some pictures to terry@terrytracker.co.uk of some of your best finds. It's somewhere around here and we've just walked straight across a bog, so our feet are soaking. I found it. I'm crawling around inside of here. And there it is. Well, my feet are wet. I'm dirty. I'm tired. I think we should have had different footwear for this little trail of geocaches. Bear that in mind if you come. It's a bit of a long trek to this one. Wow. It's, ow, 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 that was a branch on the head. I saw this and thought it was attached to that cable tie, but it's not. So it's somewhere in here. Can you guys see it? Anyone? Losing the will to live with this one. Can't see it anywhere. Fail on that one. On to the next one. It's getting narrower. And we're somewhere near. Walk through here, past the dead pigeon, and the geocache right there. Getting tired now, walking uphill with wet feet. Oh, sirens. Someone's been naughty. Well, that's the end of our geocaching for the day. We failed on the last one because our feet were getting too wet. This electricity is scary. You heard it. Plus we need to go pick Ellie up from school. Well, we got home, got changed because our trousers, jeans, shoes and socks and feet were all soaking wet. So if you go to that area for geocaching, just be sure to take something for you. That was that camera switching off. Just be sure to take some like dry wear type feet type shoes type Wellingtons, boots type things. Understand? Good, because I'm glad you did, because I didn't understand a word I've just said. But yeah, it's a bit wet. It's good fun. We did miss a couple. There was a couple that weren't there as well. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it. I'm just sitting outside the fish and chip shop waiting for Emma. I'm going to have something to eat and I'm going to call it a night. So yeah, see you all tomorrow. Now it's time to do your job.